It is said that when a pot of oil catches fire, pouring water on it will cause an explosion. To verify this myth, Adam and Jamie built a test setup at the fire station. First, they filled a pot with canola oil. During heating, a thermal sensor monitored the oil temperature in real time. Once the oil reached 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it started giving off white smoke, meaning it had reached its ignition point. At that moment, Adam pulled a rope to release the cup of water above. The pot instantly erupted into a massive fireball, but they felt it still wasn't quite explosive enough, so they switched to peanut oil, which has a higher ignition point. When visible flames appeared, it showed the oil had reached ignition. Adam released the water cup again. This time, the fireball was even bigger and livelier than with canola oil, so they chose peanut oil for the ultimate experiment. To get the biggest, most powerful fireball, they first had to test the oil-to-water ratio. They started with 8-to-1. When water was poured into the hot oil, a fireball burst out again. Next, they tried 4-to-1, but the fireball looked about the same. Then they tested 2-to-1 and 1-to-1. In the end, the results across all four ratios didn't differ much, so they decided to go with 2-to-1 for the final test. Out in the wilderness, they built a makeshift outdoor kitchen. Firefighters stood by, ready in case the flames got out of control. With 2,000 milliliters of oil and 1,000 milliliters of water prepared, Jamie lit the stove. When flames appeared in the pot, he yanked the rope to release the water. This time, the fireball was even bigger. Flames shot well over 30 feet high. But Jamie wasn't done. He wanted an even bigger fireworks display, so he tossed a can of soup into the burning oil. At first, nothing happened, but half a minute later, a violent explosion erupted. A fireball rocketed into the sky, forming a stunning mushroom cloud. This proves that when cooking oil catches fire, never try to put it out with water, or you could trigger a disaster beyond imagination.